Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at just a super cool 1970 Chevrolet C10. This is a custom shop truck, patina truck, whatever you want to call it. Very cool, man. The guys and I love these things. You know, it's actually painted and clear coated to look just the way it does, to look like an old truck, which is kind of funny because I drove this truck to the gym the other day, and that's exactly what my wife said. She said, "Is it supposed to look like you're just driving an old truck?" And I told her she is exactly right. But this was actually built by a speed shop, speed shop out of Oklahoma. So it's got a good solid Oklahoma body. And then when you open the hood, it's got an all-aluminum Corvette LS1 fuel-injected engine, 4L60E automatic trans, 12-bolt rear end with a 373 limited slip, disc brakes, air. Truck is a blast to drive, and it is fast, guys. This thing will run. It's got 20-inch US mags all the way around it, and like I say, just super cool truck. There's a lot we can pick at, and guess what? We're supposed to be able to. But again, this is all, it is clear coated, meant to look like it does. Just super cool. And yes, if somebody pulls up next to you and you nail it, they're going to be surprised. This thing scoots. I love the blue houndstooth interior. That was one of the things I absolutely loved about this truck. It's got a custom stainless fuel tank that mounted in the rear here. Just a super cool truck, guys. What everybody's doing, I didn't do this one because every time I do it, I end up having to take it off. Guys want to put their name on it, but what everybody's doing is they're putting names. They own a business and they put their names on the side of these, and they become a complete write-off. And that's become very, very popular. Again, it's got front disc brakes, 20-inch US mags all the way around it. Again, this is a all aluminum Corvette engine, LS1, fuel injected, power steering, power disc brakes. It's got air blows ice cold. I drove it the other day. It was darn near 80 degrees, and the air, like I say, the air will freeze you right out of there. 4L60E overdrive automatic transmission. It's got custom aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Fun truck to drive, guys. A ton of attention. Like I say, they're just neat. They're just so cool. Original door handles. Again, I love the blue houndstooth. Super cool. It's got tilt column in it, billet steering wheel. It's a tach and gauge truck, which is pretty cool. Showing 362 miles, guys, and that's supposed to be right. I'm assuming since they put the engine and everything in it. Again, tach and gauge, you can tell that's all brand new clusters. Got custom Kenwood sound system in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12 bolt 373 limited slip rear end. You can see the tailgate is functional. Kind of matte coated the bed here, so if you literally are going to use it as a shop truck, you can throw stuff in the bed. Make sure I got that shut, Jay. Truck's nice and clean underneath. You can see the stainless fuel tank. Just a super cool truck. Like I say, fun truck to drive. Just kick gear on. It blows ice cold too, guys. Gauges are working. Tach works. Yeah, Jay said the oil pressure is just all the way over. I know they all work, 'cause I drove it the other day. And we got a little bit of a light bulb here on this side. It's working though. Radio works. I know the AC, all that stuff in here works. Blower motor works. There it goes. Okay, yep. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That truck is just super cool. I love the color. And it's fun, man. Like I say, you drive it down the road, you hit it, it's shocking to people how this thing runs. Have a great day, guys.